We're here today to see and celebrate a dream. And it's a dream that we've had for a long time, and the challenge that we've had in Waco and Central Texas, how to create and produce a productive workforce in our community for our business and industry. The local business leaders have dreamed of this day. And this dream is a reality thanks to a unique partnership. And this unique partnership is something in several different ways that's totally unique. It's the business community working with education. I have never seen all the districts in Waco area joining hands and working with us. And so this is a historic day. This is not the end of it. This is the beginning. There are going to be more and better as we go along, but we're off to a great start with a great team.
And there are a lot of companies in this room who have been benefiting and who will continue to benefit. They're hiring our GWAMA students. GWAMA has become a pipeline for Waco industry. This truly was a dream.
So with that, I proclaim this the best cross-community collaborative effort our community has ever done.